birds. Tweet, tweet. The egg must be kept warm while the baby inside grows. The baby bird breaks the egg with its beak. The baby bird is called a hatchling. As the bird grows in the nest, it is called a nestling. When the bird begins to fly, it is called a fledgling. When the bird is all grown up, it is called an adult. The adult bird finds a mate and lays an egg. All birds begin life inside an egg. Ostrich, kiwi, cockatoo, birdhouse, parrot, toucan, flamingo, peacock, duck, duckling, nest, pigeon, goldfinch, bluebird, eagle, insect, cardinal, chickadee, turkey vulture, goose, gosling, owlet, blue jay, owl, crow, nest, woodpecker, pelican, puffin, seagull, penguin, albatross, Arctic tern,